olive oil instead of these foods protect the heart. The study showed that the replacement of 5 grams of margarine, butter or mayonnaise with the same amount of olive oil is very good for health. This allows for a 7% reduction in risk of disease of the coronary arteries. 5 grams is 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise or fatty dairy products. The study showed that if the proportion of olive oil is more than 7 grams or half a tablespoon a day, the risk of any disease of the cardiovascular system is reduced by 15%. The probability of disease of the coronary arteries is reduced by 21%. Unfortunately, the risk of stroke is not reduced. The results of the study were presented at the meeting of the American Heart Association. The authors of the study urge people not to just add the olive oil in a regular diet, but it to replace. There will be no effect if only to include olive oil in the diet and not to exclude instead of unhealthy fats. Only replacement helps to improve cholesterol levels, reduce the number of inflammatory biomarkers and, in general, to strengthen the cardiovascular health. In 2013, a study involving 7,000 people has shown that following the Mediterranean diet with lots of olive oil within 5 years 30% reduced risk of stroke or heart attack. Fans of olive oil have slowed age-related decline in cognitive activities. They are better to control your weight. It's encouraging, when you consider how caloric is the product itself. In every tablespoon of olive oil is about 120 calories. For this day we have succeeded by giving you the full details and information. You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you.